How to change color in Photoshop. Before we go, don't forget to follow us. First, select the area you want to change color. Press on the folder icon, and select Mask. Select Solid Color and choose the color you want. Select Multiply. Select Levels. Increase the lights. Select Curves and increase this. Good, now let's select different colors. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to follow us.